Welcome to Broward County Animal Care and Adoption. Meet Mala, ID number A1740491. Mala arrived as a stray. She's been here since 4/11. She's as sweet as can be. She walks great on a leash, is very affectionate to all the staff here. The staff has been walking her every day, and everybody compliments on how great she walks. Again, she's the sweetest thing. She doesn't seem to have any aggression towards the other animals when she walks by their cages. And as you can see, she is a total love. If you're interested in rescuing Mala, please contact them here at rescue@broward.org.